Hadin ki buntli ki snem jong kajing angnut bat kajing don kam ban kentiu kurdan no ya ka Marmain Sub Center ya ka Primary Health Center. Haga singit hoding jong katayo kata hak arterik unno pra arajar arpar kathain Marmain borok kawai kalayo ban sakhi ya kajing Wanplie pajba ya ka Marmain Primary Health Center daw menteri rang ba jong sarkar jelau konrad kongkal sangma haka jing don lang bat kajing sakhi lang jong MLA katha nyuba Meral Bonsim UMDC katha nyuba Balajid Rani EMDC Komsning Constituency ikong Magdalene Saukumi Maulong ibala penkre bhai lade ban aireng ya ka election MLA na nongpo constituency nang ta ADC ke Ribhoi district uba MB Tongper i Dr. TS Momin ibdai SM and HO DMHO Ribhoi district i Dr. Mistika Lengdo ibdai Ayush M and HO umden PHC bat kiwi ripo khmat kathain kentup na du bong thai garai Marmain kinong ilam garai Marmain kinong ilam shnong bat kipaj ba kathain Hagane kasngi na kaliang jong menteri rang ba ka jelau konrad kongkal sangma ulakap yo ribon na kajing kang ba jong ketik PHC ke bathamai bat kajing pli ke perda jong mau bu jingkan mau haken ro jong ketik PHC ke bathamai kumban syukudew hang ne khandiat ba yo Mawnongrim jong ketik PHC labu na du ka khandai tarik ubenai me arajar henriu daw mahe Dr. Didi Lapang hakapor jong jinglong MLA jong u bat hakapor jinglong menteri rang ba jong mahe Dr. Didi Lapang bat lada ken kelum Mynta kaladap khan rius nem kanthi bakathain Marmain kalayo ban sakhi ke jing pun urlong ye ke jing angnut ki pajba ban kentiu kerdan no ye ke sub center syaka PHC menteri rang ba haba jingkren ulong bahadin bunsin bat bunwat bau MLA kathain uju kentu ban penkan mau ye ke PHC Marmain la haying assembly lane office trikam jungu bat kum juru ke jing penkan mau jong ikong Magdalene Saukumi Maulong bat rengkat ke jing ui ke jing don kam jong ketika thain ye ke hospital ke Babiang nak bantaban ai kilat jing sumar sigi pajba ketika thain lapun urlong Mynta kasngi
all the people and citizens of Marmain area who have come here to be part of this very important and a very long pending project and a long pending work and a long pending program for this particular constituency. At the very outset, I would like to thank God Almighty for this wonderful blessing that He has given, this wonderful day that He has given, and the blessing of this PHC that He has given to the people of this area. This has been a long pending project, and from 2006, since the foundation stone was laid, it's taken a very long time for us to actually see it being inaugurated. In the last 4.5 years, as a government, it has been our endeavor to see that we are able to complete a large number of projects which have been lying pending for a very long time. Whether it's a PHC out here, whether it's the large Crowborough Hotel in Shillong, whether it's the Ganol Power Project in Garo Hills, and so on and so forth. Many projects which were initiated by multiple governments could not be completed for multiple reasons. I don't want to get into that. But as a government, we strongly felt that the investments made in different projects should not go to waste. And a little bit of effort being put in by the government now would be able to take things to the logical conclusion. And hence, throughout the state, this effort started in order to make sure that we are able to complete these kind of projects. Honorable MLA had come and mentioned this to me a number of times regarding this particular project in his constituency. mentioned it a number of times in the assembly. Kong Magdalene, along with the Rambashnons, had come and met me large number of times, demanding that this should be inaugurated at the earliest. People from the society had come to me and mentioned that this should be inaugurated. I know that there are still some things pending out here as per my information. Let me assure the leaders of the dais and more importantly the people of this area. I know that this area has been neglected in the past. This PHC has been inaugurated. I will take personal interest to ensure that it is working fully with full capacity and all the necessary equipments that are required and the manpower required are immediately given to make sure that this PHC functions with full capacity. The local MLA, the local MDC and Kong Magdalene for all their efforts to make sure that this program was a success. I wish all of you the very best and once again assure you of all my support and my personal interest to ensure that this particular PHC functions in full capacity. With these few words, once again, thank you all. May God bless each and every one of us. May God bless this PHC. May God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Kublai Shibun, Mathela, and Jai Hind.
It is a day where we remember. It was on the 9th of May 2006 where the foundation stone of this particular PHC has been laid. And after a gap of so many years, it is the dedication to the people of Marmain and the adjoining villages, where it has eased the pressure for Umden PHC, which has more or less 62 villages within it. Now, after the carving away of Marmain PHC, it will ease the pressure for the existing Umden PHC, and this will be a great help for the people of Marmain. Thank you so much, sir, for the initiative. And as an elected representative of Nongpo constituency, and on behalf of Ribhoi district, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to you, not only for the inauguration of Marmain PHC, but also for giving us one civil subdivision in Ribhoi district. We can see the initiative taken by the MDA government under your able leadership, and we hope that this will continue, and by the grace of God, we'll hope to see that in days to come also, more good deeds and work will come up within this area.
Who can come for regular checkup in order to avoid complications during pregnancy, making way for healthy newborns, healthy children, and the elderly. Hagajo kapor, ngimla klemda smomo ya kirang ba shnong, bat kinong yalam shnong, kiblalet nakapor kapor, abingilet kum ka delegation, ban kendo ya chief minister ujongi, pada kajo kapor, ya health minister, ya kabagani kasngi, kalau urlong, ngakwa ang banyak ho EP, shikinong shnong pada kapor, bashibet. Nakaliang jong chief minister jong iru ulai semua artili ki ambulance nakabenta kanika Thain. Dikani kalau ke jing mentoi ka bakrau ka jing pos niu ka bangi ngi angnut laslem ngi la nso ban ong bila semua shisha ya ka jing yalam lenti ka jong ble bara ka jo ka por kam tam ki nong shong ki ba angnut ya kata ka jing shakri ka bajanai kababha na kabenta kinong shnong kibahajan parhajangai ngiemla klem daklet bat ai kaburong ye imahe didi lapang gelaran kabenta kabakrau na kabenta kadong bat kathan gejongi hooi kumba shupende blang ye pibaro ulit purno ke sama badeiru ikpa jong chief minister be jongi ilade iweru Wanplie ya kata ko Umden PHC house nem kat kendai spa pra tingi kermen bakini ke jingli ashiton ke jong nong yalam jongi ubayalam ke MDA government ke jingya lenti le asin ki posh ki por buon ki jing angnut ke bangi don ni kwa ban kieu na koi ka posh koi ka por ke jing don kejong ka PHC labun bun snem ni kermen scam bakan long kata kajing ai syakri yaki babun balang kajing ai kajing syakri kabapura kababha kabajanai na kabentaki nong shong shno nyemla banlen hakipor ki beladep ngima ye ta kajing lingba kajing deko jong ka tana ka kwat ka khia mo bangem don ka PHC ka bapaka den rei kani kani kasngi ka jingjot ya phiki nong shong shong hi barok we bangi kermen baka barok ka jing syakri kan long shisha kata ka bakhuit ka basuba na ka banta ki long kmi ki ba armet na ka banta ki to ki ba sham hakilanot ki jenjar ki jingpang ki jing shitom bale asi da ka jingdon jong ki ambulance ru ni kermen ka bakrao kata baka jing syakri kan long na ka banta ki nong shong shno
ngas ngoban petpau ka jing smoke men ka bakrao ka ne kasngi ya kane ka jing la ban pet urlong lani ban plino ya kane ka PHC hangni hapo Marmain area kalau kai ka ba smoke men namar nitip ba kum ki pai ba jong ka dong ka Thain ki jongi ngila GR la hamslem ba kane kan urlong no shen andre menta kasngi kalau ka jing kemen yangi ba kane ka jing upslem ka jongi na ka benta ban wanra ya karoi kapar haga dong baka Thain ke jongi ni smokeman sibon bagela ban penulong ai ku blai namar kata naga benta chief minister don borom jongi i bala penlai ke por ke jongi ban Wanplie ya kene ka PFC ke batmai ngasnguru ban penpau ya ke jing kublai ke bakarpang ya i MLA don borom jongi se megabon sim ya ke jing persang ke jongi ban tit jingkhang man ke por naga benta ban penulong no lane ban plino ya kane ka Marmain PFC namar itip bagane ka dong ka Thain ki jongi ka bodon border ba ka Assam ki don sibon ki jing hakale kawan khamtam haga banio ye ki lat jing sumar ki ba bet ki ba biang naga benta ka koi ka khia jo upai ba lomda dei da ka jing tristom ka jongi komunong mi khmat jo ka constituency ka jongi nginyai baki kam penroi kinlong ki basa teng tengi song komen nomor kata baga jing persang ki jongi aga ban wanra ikilat penroi hamtam ban wanra ek kot ka khia hamjan ki pat ba kan long ka Jingkyrkhu ka bakrao naga banta kane ka dong ka Thain ki jongi